If you're facing the black and white screen problem on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Modes and Routines. Now just tap on Sleep. Now if you're using sleep mode, then just scroll down and under Other Actions, just tap on Grayscale. Now if Grayscale has been enabled, just tap on the minus icon and disable it. Then tap on Done. And after you do that, then just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just go back to Settings. Now this time just turn off sleep mode. Now just go back to the main settings page and under Settings just tap on Accessibility. Under Accessibility just tap on Vision Enhancements. And over here, if color inversion or any of these toggles is enabled, just disable it. Now after you disable all these options, then tap on Color Correction. Now if color correction is enabled, just disable this toggle. And after you disable this toggle, you will fix the black and white screen problem on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.